auditors and accountants. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Accountants and auditors prepare and examine financial records. Work environment. The majority of accountants and auditors are full-time employees. Some work more than 40 hours per week. Overtime hours are typical at certain times of the year, such as at the end of the budget year or during tax season. How to become one. Most employers require a candidate to have a bachelor's degree in accounting or a related field. Certification in a certain subject of accounting can help you get a better career. Many accountants, for example, become certified public accountants. Salary. The median annual wage for accountants and auditors is $71,550. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, accountants and auditors are expected to expand at a rate of 4%, which is about average for all occupations. In general, employment growth of accountants and auditors is expected to be closely tied to the health of the overall economy. As the economy grows, more workers should be needed to prepare and examine financial records. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel to receive the most recent career and education videos. Share this video with your friends and family if you like it. Remember to click the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box.